Israel semakin intens menembaki wilayah utara Gaza. Pekan lalu di saat perdebatan tentang bantuan AS untuk Israel makin memanas di Kongres AS, DPR AS meloloskan RUU yang mendesak Presiden Joe Biden untuk melanjutkan pengiriman bantuan militer ke Israel setelah penangguhan selama sepekan. Ketua DPR AS menyebut penangguhan ini sebagai pertanda pemerintahan Biden menarik dukungannya untuk Israel.
His actions are doing exactly the opposite. This is a catastrophic decision with global implications. It is obviously being done as a political calculation.
Gedung Putih mengesahkan transfer senjata senilai $1 miliar pekan lalu dan menegaskan penundaan pengiriman senjata tidak mengubah aliansi AS dengan Israel.
The president believed obviously the commitment, and we do as well, to Israel's security is ironclad, and we want to make sure that they have what they need, Israel has what they need to defend themselves against their enemies, including Hamas.
Penundaan pengiriman senjata ke Israel yang dilakukan oleh pemerintahan Biden meliputi penjualan 3.500 bom dengan berat antara 1/4 hingga 1 ton. Penundaan sementara yang dilakukan Gedung Putih didasarkan atas kekhawatiran akan semakin banyaknya korban yang berjatuhan jika Israel melakukan invasi skala besar ke Rafah yang merupakan tempat pengungsian warga Palestina saat ini. Sejumlah Dewan Rakyat Partai Demokrat, partai pendukung Biden, mengkhawatirkan dukungan AS terhadap Israel.
Prime Minister Netanyahu has ruined the world's support. He's done so by not focusing on the hostages, but by allowing his military to bomb hospitals, ambulance convoys, people's homes, to take out journalists, aid workers, including Americans. The moral compass does not bend in favor of one nation regardless of what it does.
Pemerintahan AS kerap berupaya untuk menyeimbangkan dukungan terhadap demokrasi Israel dan pertanggungjawaban atas tindakannya, menurut pemerhati sejarah AS.
It's not as though the U.S. has never put any strings on the kinds of support we have given to Israel through the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and up till now. So presidents like Eisenhower and Ford and Reagan, Republicans particularly, have had to go back to Israel to say, we're not pleased with what we see you're doing in the Middle East.
Meski lolos DPR yang dikendalikan Partai Republik, kecil kemungkinan RUU ini akan disetujui Senat yang mayoritas anggotanya dari Partai Demokrat.
The United States should not take part in an assault on Rafah that is going to result in thousands of innocent civilians being killed and worsen the humanitarian nightmare that exists inside Gaza. That is a moral and strategic disaster for both the United States and Israel.
Kamis lalu, AS umumkan telah selesai membangun dermaga lepas pantai untuk menyalurkan bantuan kemanusiaan penting bagi warga sipil Palestina. Dari Washington DC, Virginia Gunawan dan tim VOA.